Let's create a PDF from a saved photo or multiple photos in your iPad camera roll. First, open the Photos app on your iPad. From the top, tap on the Select option and choose multiple photos at once by swiping your finger across them in sequence or selecting them one by one. Then, tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. Then, tap on Print in the Share sheet. On the Print settings screen, tap on the Share button next to the Print icon at the top right corner in Print Settings pop-up. Here's the PDF document size. Here, you can send an AirDrop, message, or mail directly, or select the Save to Files option from the Share sheet and save the file to your preferred location. As a bonus tip, if you want to change the print paper size, disconnect your iPad from the printer by turning off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then, check the available paper size options to set your photos correctly in the PDF file. That's it. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.